Namaste browser built-in translation fails you when websites don't specify language or multilingual or use dynamic content. Single-page applications, social media feeds, live chat widgets, your browser gives up. But autoTranslate intelligently detects and translates everything, even content that loads after the page. Unlike other extensions that demand access to all your data, autoTranslate respects your privacy. No invasive permissions, no tracking, no ads, just pure translation power. Transform any webpage instantly, even modern sites with dynamic content. While browser translation stumbles on single-page applications, autoTranslate handles them flawlessly. Research papers, technical documents, autoTranslate handles unlimited PDF translations seamlessly, keeping the original formatting intact. Need to translate specific text? Simply select any text, even newly loaded dynamic content, and press Alt+T. Instant translation pop-up that appears only when you want it. With editable results, you can reverse translate. Writing in a foreign language? Type your message, select it, and replace it with perfect translations. Email internationally, post on social media, or chat with friends all in their native language. Turn browsing into learning. Highlight important text to save translations for later visits. Build your vocabulary with the built-in dictionary showing pronunciations, synonyms, and word meanings. Save phrases and autoTranslate intelligently organizes them by date and domain, so you can easily find that perfect phrase you learned last week from that specific website. Export your entire learning progress anytime. Visit international sites regularly. Enable domain-wise auto-translation, which is missing in browser built-in translation. AutoTranslate automatically translates every page from that site. Stop settling for broken browser translation and annoying pop-ups. Install AutoTranslate from the Chrome Web Store and experience translation that actually works on the modern web. Your privacy first. Intelligent translation companion awaits. AutoTranslate Smart Translation for the modern web.